Hey everyone, I was getting everything together for my Valentine's Day stream with Kmarth and Just Soji, and I had a great idea. What if I could put their video call in a heart shape for my stream? That'd be pretty cute, right? I had this idea after collabing with Moonkay, and initially I thought it was kind of crazy. It was like, it couldn't be that simple, but turns out it was. You could do this with any shape, and you could even do it with a video. And for the source, you could do it with any webcam, a VTuber, whatever you want. It doesn't really matter. Let's go ahead and get into it. All right, so now we're gonna go into paint.net. So the basic idea is that we are going to have a green screen with everything except for our shape, and our shape will be transparent so we can put stuff underneath it. So what I'm gonna do is gonna make a new image, 1920 by 1080. You're gonna go and we're gonna select a green in the colors, and we're gonna just fill the thing with green. Now we're gonna go ahead and open up that heart that we found. So I'm just gonna select everything and copy paste it as a new layer. We're gonna keep the canvas size. So now we can just kind of find where we want to have our heart. So now what we can do is I'm gonna just change the hue saturation. I'm just gonna make the lightness 100%. I'm just doing this because I want to make sure that there's no like subtle shading or anything like this. So now really all we're gonna do is we're just gonna merge down, and then we're gonna use the magic wand and we're just gonna clip. And then delete it, and this is our mask, and we're pretty much done here. One thing I forgot to mention when recording is that you really want to make sure that this is a PNG image. If you save it as a JPEG, it won't be transparent. Let's go into OBS and get that all sorted. Okay, so now that we got our mask, all we need to do is shape it in OBS. So I'm gonna set up a couple scenes. So right now I have a gameplay. So this will be the scene that you want to put in if you have a, called stream overlay or whatever, it doesn't really matter. And then I'm gonna make a new scene called heart cam. So I'm gonna pull in our mask, and I'm gonna pull in Boxy to kind of represent our webcam. So let me get her, make her the complete size. Okay, so this will be perfect. So we just kind of want to center her, and then we'll have our image on top. And this is kind of what we want, right? So now basically all we're gonna do is in our gameplay, we're gonna add a new scene. We'll add heart cam, and it'll look like this, right? Which is super green and not exactly what we want. So all you really need to do is go onto filters and then add a chroma key. And we're pretty much done. Well, I hope this was helpful. I'll see you guys in the next one.